Welcome to 1000 Tips of Learning Procreate. I'm William Jeremy from Learn Digital Art. And have you ever encountered a problem like this? So for example, I'm going to fill the line art like this arm. I already select the color, I want to draw, and boom, you got something like this. Okay, I encountered that multiple times and I genuinely hated it and made a multiple video of how to solve this problem. I just going crazy to solve this problem and that's the reason why I made this video. Okay, so I already made like a multiple method, like using the duplication of line art layers, using the Gaussian blur and multiple Gaussian blur and combine that with duplication layers. And there's also another manual fix of this. Okay, so you can do something like this. So you can just duplicate this layer. Just forget about the color because I just want to demonstrate this tiny little part. Okay, so once you duplicate this layer, you can just select a specific layer and remember to choose the color that you want to fill. Okay, and then you can use just maybe Studio Pen, and you're going to get that tiny little parts. And you're going to just gently fill this and close this. And okay, I just close this part, and hopefully this will work. Finger crossed. Come on, yeah, hopefully this will work. Okay, so once you think you close this part, and then you can feel really simple, right? And this method is amazing is because it can keep that kind of gap. Okay, you can keep that gap. Sometimes some artists, I believe, treat this as a sort of style. So they get like a hidden close area, but with the line arts like intentionally gapped and maybe add some dots, something like that. Yeah, so this way you can not only keep the line art, but also to get this like a nicely filled color. Okay, hope this video helps, and please give this video a thumb up if you think my video is helpful, so other people can see it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of things about digital art and modeling, sculpting, Blender, animation, yeah, all that. Okay, so yeah, thanks, bye.